In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on MiniMax. Let's get you from the home page to your account in a few clear clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to minimax.io. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. You should land on the MiniMax homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click that to open the Sign In options. MiniMax offers different products, and the next thing we want is specifically for audio, so don't worry if you see multiple choices. On the panel or list that appears, click MiniMax Audio. This will take you to the audio section, which has its own sign-in flow. It's normal for MiniMax to separate access by product so you can get to the tools that match what you're trying to do. On the MiniMax Audio page, click Sign In. This will redirect you to a secure authentication screen. If you see a brief loading step or a new tab, that's expected. Some sign-in pages open in a dedicated window for security. Next, choose Continue with Google. This uses Google's secure OAuth process, which means MiniMax never sees your Google password. It just verifies your identity and shares basic profile information with your consent. If you already use Google for other services, this is the fastest way to get set up. When the Google account chooser appears, select the Google account you want to use with MiniMax. If the account you want isn't listed, you can add it by signing into Google in your browser first, then returning to this screen. Be sure you select an account you control and plan to use long-term so your access remains consistent. You'll see a confirmation or consent screen. Review what's being requested, then click Continue. This step finalizes the connection between your Google account and MiniMax Audio. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the sign-in window to proceed so the process can complete. After that, you're all set. You should now be inside MiniMax Audio and ready to get started. Take a moment to look around the interface, confirm you're signed in by checking for your profile icon, and consider bookmarking the page so it's easy to return later. If you ever need to sign out or switch accounts, use the account menu in the top navigation. That's it. Quick and secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring MiniMax Audio.